Hello besties, welcome to a new video and welcome to an unboxing. I'm so excited about this because Tiefossi has sent me a bullet journal to unbox with you guys and it's gorgeous. I cannot wait to show it to you. There's also going to be a giveaway in this video, so make sure you stick around to the end to find out how you can possibly win a journal for yourself. Let me just open this box up. I literally haven't even opened the package since I've got it. I've only seen pictures online. Let's open it up. Oh, and of course they gave me more goodies. I love the Tiefossi team. They're always so nice. They always send more goodies in their boxes. So first, let's see. This is a marker set of some sort. There are 6 colors in here, and there's a second one here. So you basically just have like a full rainbow of markers. I'll be sure to test these ones out in just a few minutes. They look super fun. I love the color variation. And then under that, we have the notebook. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely stunning. Let me get that confetti out of here. But look at this. This is the highlight of the video today. So we'll come back to this in just a second. There's one more thing in this box, I believe. Oh, it's another journal. This is absolutely gorgeous. You can see your reflection in the cover right there. So let me take this box away and peel off the plastic so you can see the actual journals in their full glory. This is so stunning. This is their moon dot grid notebook. It has this gorgeous dark olive green linen cover. The design on the side also has these pretty gemstones that match the one on the front. And this is in like a pink metallic, so really cool color combination that I don't see many people using. Very crisp white edges, and of course an elastic enclosure. When I open up the journal, this cover page is absolutely stunning. I love the combination of the pink and green that matches the front here. You get to put your name in the planner, and then the rest of the pages I think are all just plain dot grid. Yep, there are also 2 bookmarks, of course, although they're kind of folded from the pages, but these are matching the cover. Absolutely gorgeous journal, and I wasn't even expecting to get this in the package, so really excited about this. But the star of the show is this golden Tiefossi journal. I took off the wrapping for you, but this is part of their linen constellation collection because they have journals for all 12 zodiac signs. I'll put a screen recording here so you can see all of the full journals that they have online, but I am born on June 19th, so I'm a Gemini. And so I of course got the Gemini notebook, and I love the gold reflective cover. Let me take off the little white paper here so we can really see the journal. Absolutely stunning. I didn't think yellow and gold would be a color combo that I like, but I actually think this is really beautiful. Again, another elastic enclosure, and the sides actually have completely gilded edges and a really beautiful constellation detailing. If you can see that, it's in white on the gold gilded. There is also a pen loop, and when I open the journal up, on the first page we of course have the nameplate design, the Tiefossi logo in gilded gold. The journal also has really thick paper. It is 160 GSM and it is perfectly compatible with most writing utensils. The pages are numbered, however. This is different from the green journal, and this actually has 256 pages in it. So there are so many pages. I haven't even gotten to the end yet. Goodness gracious. There it is. 256. That's insane. If you can't really tell on camera, this is a thick journal. She's definitely bigger than the green one. Here's the green one side by side in comparison. I'd say the green one is about the size of my usual bullet journal that I use on a daily basis. So this one is rather thick, and I really like that because personally I'm going to be using this journal as a Bible journal. So I'm going to be putting all of my notes from like church sermons and Bible studies on my own in this notebook. So I want to have a lot of room in here, which is why I'm glad it's a very thick notebook, because I'm going to be using it for more than just 6 months, which is what I usually use a bullet journal for. Now I do want to do a pen test of these 2 marker sets because the color combinations look beautiful. So I'm gonna pop open this journal and go to the last page so I can show you just a quick little test. So these are called their soft color dot double-sided marker, and they are both new arrivals on Tiefossi's website, so I'm going to be testing them out today. I believe they are double-sided, but it's not like a normal brush pen. These are dot pens, which is really creative and not something I frequently see, which is why I'm excited to try them out. Let me write at the top, Tiefossi double-sided dot markers. I'm gonna do the warm set first. Let me just put warm on the left here. And then I guess I'll just go down the line. So I've never really used dot markers before, so I'm really interested to see how these work. So I assume this side is the dot end, and I'm just gonna test it out with one tap. Oh, perfect. I'm wondering if you press harder, if it makes a bigger, and if you press lighter, it makes a smaller dot. I mean, there's a teensy bit of variation, but I honestly think that it's a pretty stiff nib. Like, it's not really going to change sizes based on how hard or how light you press it. So it's basically just gonna make the same dot over and over, but I like the consistency. This would be really fun to use in maybe like a polka dot bullet journal theme, or if you're trying to add dots somehow in your artwork, or if you're trying to do like simple bullet points. Like, for example, this would be really great to fill in habit trackers because you can just do little dots for every day. The other side of the pen, which is kind of hard to see because it's a very light baby pink color, but this I'm pretty sure is a fine liner. It says it's a 0.7 millimeters. Let me do fine liner over here. Ooh, I like how this writes a lot. It is a fine liner, but it's not the thinnest marker in the world, which is nice because I can use this for artsy fine lining. I'm gonna pull out my own bullet journal just to show you, but this month in August, I actually used brown fine liner to do all of the line art for my spreads for the entire setup, and I really liked that technique of using a color rather than just using black fine liner. So because I've been really getting into that recently, I feel like I'm gonna have a lot of fun with these types of pens because I can start using the fine liner end and have a lot of color variation and combos to use. Plus I can also use the same color to do these little dots to fill in a habit tracker. So it really does work well for a bullet journal, if you ask me at least. I'm just gonna go down the row and do all of these colors, and then I will do the salt set, and I'll come back and let you know my final thoughts. Okay, so I finished the pen test. As you can see, I have the warm set on top and the salt set on bottom. I am loving these color combos. I really like how there is a little bit of blue in the warm set and a little bit of brown in the salt set, so they kind of have a little bit of contrast in them. But I think my favorite colors overall are probably this like dark turquoise color, or possibly this pink color I think is really pretty. Also the red is nice. I don't know, they're really gorgeous, really saturated, very pretty, but I just think that the combos work gorgeous together. And especially if you have like a specific bullet journal theme that you wanted to do, buying a small pack like this that just works with your color scheme is such a good idea and would make journaling really simple throughout the month. So I really like these markers, and I'm excited to use them more in my bullet journal going forward. So let's talk about the giveaway, because I know that's what a lot of you guys are here for. You want to get one of these beautiful Tiefossi journals for yourself, and I got you covered. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and it'll last from today, August 10th, to 2 weeks from now, August 24th at midnight or 11:59 p.m. CT. There are going to be 3 winners, so 3 of you can get any of these constellation journals for yourself completely for free, and I'll have all the rules for entering right here on the screen. Number 1, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number 2, you need to follow my Instagram at the Mingo Studio. Number 3, you need to follow Tifossi's Instagram, which I'll also put here on the screen. And then number 4, I need you to comment on this video your Instagram handle or some way to contact you if you win, because I'm going to be messaging you and figuring out what of the 12 journals you want to get for free. So if you want to enter the giveaway, do so by August 24th. I can't wait to announce the winners in 2 weeks and be able to send 3 of you guys whatever constellation journal you want. So you'll be twinning with me. If you don't want to wait 2 weeks, or you don't want to enter the giveaway, or you just don't happen to win, you can definitely still check out Tifossi's website. I think these journals are absolutely beautiful, and they have so many other stunning designs also on their website. I will have a link to their shop down below in the description box, and you can always use my code MINGO for 10% off your purchase no matter when you are buying. I want to thank Tiefossi very much for sponsoring this video and sending me not only this journal but also the green one and also the 2 marker sets. I can't wait to use all the stationery in my bullet journaling process. And with that, sending you all so much love. Make sure to enter the giveaway if you want to win one of these journals for free, and I will see you guys next week. Goodbye.